Hey dolls, welcome back to another vlog. And if you're new here, welcome in. My name is Lo, and I am so happy that you are joining me today. So dolls, I took a little trip and came back to my hometown of St. Louis, Missouri, and I am here at my sister's house. And while everyone is living their busy lives of going to school and working, I thought this would be the perfect time to pop on here and show you what's in my bag. This is my vintage Louis bowling bag. I've had her for I know at least 22 years. She's in pristine condition. I don't carry her that often, but I thought this would be the perfect bag to carry while I'm traveling because of the amount of space inside the bag and all of the things that you can put in the bag. I mean, she almost can one of my carry-on bags, but anyway. Without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into what's in my bag. Okay, dolls. So here's the bag, and as you can see, she has a lot of space. Very open, no compartments. So that's why this is essential to have organizers in this bag. So first up is this school pencil pouch that I got from the Dollar Tree. I really like it because it's see-through. And so in here, I have on this side just some feminine needs. And then over here, on this side, as you can see, I have some facial wipes. I have my CBD gummies and just some Band-Aids. And again, I really like these things. So next up is another Dollar Tree find. Now this is actually a snack cup. And what I like about this is that you can open it on each end. So on this side, I just have some lip shine from Bath and Body Works and hand sanitizer, my lipstick, my Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. I love this stuff. It really plumps up your lips. And then I also have some breath strips. And so you just screw that back on. And then on this side, I have some electrolyte drink mix, and I have pickers and some emergency. You know you cannot leave the house without emergency, especially when you're taking trips, getting on the plane or the train or what have you. You just screw it on back like that. I really like this thing. So next up is my sunnies. This is my sunglass case where I keep my sunnies. And then my readers. I have my passport and some lotion. Snacks. And this is my coin purse. So the coin purse, what I like about it is it has this chain. I don't know if you can see it. It has this chain here, and it hooks on inside of the bag here. It's a little hook here, and it's also a really nice size. Like you can get a lot in here, but I just keep my credit card, my IDs, and a little bit of change and cash. And then it only has this one little pocket here. And I just keep my key right there. I have an iPhone 13 mini, and it's not wide enough for the phone to slide in there, but it's perfect for key. So there you have it, dolls. That's what's in my bag. tell me, do you guys use Dollar Tree items for things that they're really not meant for? Like, do you think outside the box and use it for other things? Let me know in the comments below, because I'm always looking for different creative ideas to use things on a budget. So anyway, until next time, dolls, you have a fabulous day, and I will see you in the next one.